In Liping, where the Li people of the Liu Dong area live, women love to wear colorful skirts and finely decorated pointed shoes. Before marriage, young men and women select auspicious dates through fortune-telling by exchanging clothes and belts, and only then do they marry. Neighboring women gather in groups of several dozen, each holding blue cloth to bring as gifts. This is called sending the bride. They join hands in singing and dancing, and proceed to the groom's house, where they celebrate with feasting and song for 3 days and nights. Afterward, they return to the bride's mother's home with the new bride. The groom would secretly visit the bride's home every night to stay with her, and only after they have a child would the formal betrothal be completed, and she would officially move into the groom's family. As part of the dowry, the bride's family would offer several rolls of cloth, sometimes as many as several dozen. The bride herself would be skilled in spinning and weaving. The men are also literate. Funeral and burial customs are identical to those of the Han people.